Hey, Chris here. Got a yellow one, some yellow and black. I just sold one of these the other day. Well, not this one, but something similar to this. And I needed to replace some yellow on it. But I went and picked up some more yellow material today, so I'm going to get more of this. This is very attractive. A lot of people like this. It goes really well with a lot of different colors. And it's got that really cool pearlish with the mesh, the black and white mesh inside there. So it looks really awesome. And this is measuring in at about a little under an inch by about 3/4 wide, give or take, plus or minus, a 64th or maybe sometimes a 16th. Very attractive bead, very attractive. Goes good with very nice on black, kind of like a bumblebee color. And it can be used as, this one could be used as a necklace. It's more the barrel shape, so I usually taper these lower on the ends, but this is more like a traditional whiskey barrel shape. So it could be used as a zipper pull, a necklace, put in a bracelet, any 550 cord stuff, throw it on a piece of leather around your neck. And I'll throw this up on fiddlebone.com as well as Instagram. So don't forget, follow us on all those crazy places on social media. Look for us and follow, share, like, subscribe, all that other cool stuff. And have a wonderful day.